Hey everybody, welcome to Crypto 101. Today we're talking about storing crypto safely, protecting your assets. This is Coach Gil Golden. With the increasing threat of crypto theft, securing your digital investments has never been more crucial. In this guide, we'll explore proven strategies to protect your cryptocurrency holdings using cold wallets and other robust security measures. The $1.7 billion in crypto stolen so far this year underscores the importance of taking proactive steps to safeguard your assets. By the end of this presentation, you'll have the knowledge and tools to keep your crypto safe and secure. Crypto is a unique asset. You alone are responsible for securing it, not a bank or authority. If your private keys are lost or stolen, your crypto is gone forever. There's no way to recover it. Real-world examples like the Ronin Bridge hack show how devastating crypto theft can be, with millions stolen in a single attack. Proper storage and security measures are crucial to protect your crypto investments. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, like MetaMask or Coinbase Wallet. They are convenient but vulnerable to online attacks like phishing, malware, and hacking. Cold wallets are kept offline and physically secured. They are immune to online attacks and remote hacking. They are considered the gold standard for securing valuable cryptocurrency holdings. The key difference is that hot wallets are susceptible to online threats, while cold wallets are not. Hot wallets are digital wallets that remain connected to the internet, making them always accessible for instant transactions. They come in the form of exchange accounts, mobile apps, desktop software, and browser extensions like MetaMask. They are convenient for frequent trading and small amounts, but they are more vulnerable to malware and phishing attacks compared to cold wallets. Security features like multi-factor authentication and biometrics can improve protection, but don't eliminate the online risks associated with hot wallets. It's best to think of hot wallets as a digital spending account rather than a long-term storage solution for significant crypto assets. Hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor are physical devices that securely store your private keys offline, protecting them from potential threats. Paper wallets are physical documents that contain your private keys and QR codes, providing an offline storage solution. Air-gapped systems are computers that have never been connected to the internet, offering the ultimate security for your private keys. The key protection feature ensures your private keys never leave the device, preventing exposure to any potential threats. Hardware wallets are a secure way to store your cryptocurrencies, with top brands like Ledger and Trezor supporting over 1,000 different coins. When choosing a hardware wallet, it's important to go with a reputable brand that has a proven track record of security and reliability. To set up your hardware wallet, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. This includes writing down your recovery phrase, which is crucial for recovering your funds if your device is lost or damaged. Verify the authenticity of your hardware wallet by only purchasing from official channels. Check for any signs of tampering to ensure your device hasn't been compromised. Secure setup is critical. Generate your private keys offline in a private location using the device's built-in random number generator. Back up your recovery phrase carefully. Write it down on paper, never store it digitally, or take photos of it. When transacting, connect the device only when needed and always verify the addresses on the hardware screen before confirming. When you're done, disconnect the device and store it in a secure location, keeping it separate from your recovery phrase. Paper wallets allow you to generate Bitcoin private keys and addresses offline without ever exposing them to the internet. This provides an extra layer of security compared to hot wallets that are connected to the internet. You can print paper wallets securely using tools like bitcoinpaperwallet.com Air-gapped computers are old laptops or desktops that are never connected to the internet. These can be repurposed to store your cryptocurrency private keys in complete isolation. This eliminates the risk of your keys being accessed remotely or exposed to online threats. However, you need to protect paper wallets and air-gapped devices from physical damage like fire, water, and physical theft. Consider laminating paper wallets or storing backup copies on metal plates for added durability. Multiple backups are crucial for cold storage. Create redundant copies of your recovery phrase and store them in a fireproof safe in a bank deposit box. Absolute privacy is essential. Never share your seed phrases with anyone, and be vigilant against sophisticated phishing attempts that could compromise your security. Verify your wallet access regularly to ensure your backup system is still working properly. This will give you peace of mind and help you avoid potential issues down the line. Physical security is important to protect your assets, keep your devices in tamper-evident packaging, and consider non-obvious storage locations. Multi-signature wallets require multiple keys to authorize transactions, providing an extra layer of security. With a 2 of 3 or 3 of 5 setup, funds can only be spent if a certain number of the distributed keys are used, eliminating single points of failure. Services like Casa and Unchained Capital offer Bitcoin multi-sig solutions to help users set up this advanced security for their wallets. The distributed control and multiple authorization requirements make multi-sig wallets a powerful tool for protecting your Bitcoin. Entering seed phrases online can lead to immediate theft of your assets. Always keep your seed phrase secure and never type it into any device. Buying from third-party resellers risks supply chain attacks. It's best to purchase directly from manufacturers. Outdated firmware leaves you vulnerable to exploits, so update using official sources only. Relying on a single storage solution means a total loss if it's compromised. Therefore, diversify your security methods. Keeping your crypto assets secure is crucial, but cold wallets are just one piece of the puzzle. It's important to diversify your storage methods to add extra layers of protection. Consider splitting your holdings between hardware wallets, multi-signature setups, and trusted custodial platforms. Implement an additional password or passphrase beyond just your recovery phrase for an extra layer of security. Set up alerts on blockchain explorers to monitor your transactions and detect any unauthorized movement of funds. Create decoy wallets with small balances that you can use if you ever face physical threats. Investing in a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor is a crucial step to secure your crypto assets. These devices store your private keys offline, protecting them from online threats. Be sure to purchase directly from the manufacturer's official channels to avoid counterfeits. Deepening your knowledge through resources like Andreas Antonopoulos and Ledger Academy will help you better understand crypto security best practices. Implementing multiple layers of security, such as a hardware wallet, multi-sig, and offline storage, provides comprehensive protection for your digital assets. Taking these steps today will ensure your crypto remains safe for the long term. Your security is in your own hands. Securing your crypto future means understanding the importance of taking action now to protect your cryptocurrency wealth, which represents financial freedom. Consistent progress in implementing security measures builds unbreakable protection. As in crypto, you are your own bank. If you found this content useful, give us a sign by liking, following, and sharing. Check out the Digital Nomad collab for online courses on various income streams. Thank you for watching Crypto 101. This is Coach Gil Golden. Catch you later.